Hello, Solution Center. I'm going to put together this video for you guys to show you some of the changes that were made based on your feedback that I incorporated into the project I created for you and the configuration of that project. Um, so right out of the gate, just a couple little things real quick. You'll notice that the coloring in the left-hand navigation bar has changed, as well as the icon up here. Those things were all done just purely for cosmetic, to have our Jira instance better match Cambria's marketing. The other thing that you'll notice is the Git reference that was here in the left-hand navigation has been removed. We're no longer subscribing to Git, so once we stopped paying for it, I went ahead and I just removed it altogether, so you won't see any references to Git anymore. So now let's go look at the project. The project, if you notice in the list, I have changed the icon for the project I created. It is Solution Center 1. I've got this little Solution Center icon. If we do decide to use this project, that icon can be changed to whatever you guys want to use. I selected this one. I thought it was pretty good. If we do decide to move forward and use this project configuration, there will be some cleanup that I need to do before I move the tasks and stories that you have in your current project. But I wanted to get all the feedback done and out of the way before we take those final steps. So let's go take a look at the project itself. And here we are in our backlog. And the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up our versions tab. Now, part of the feedback that I got is, how do you guys handle releasing stories that are done? Typically that is actually done through here or through this release manager. There's also another way to do it on the board that I'm going to show you a little later on. But for now, let's table the versions, because we're going to talk about that at a later time. The epics. Now, one of the pieces of feedback that I got was, well, can the color of the epic be changed? Yes, it can. Once the epic has been created, here in this epic panel, you can come up here and you can select whatever color that you want, and it will change the epic indicator on the cards that you find here and then on the Kanban board. So you can select whatever color you want. So now let's actually talk about the Kanban board for just a quick moment. The Kanban board, the columns are set to match the workflow that you guys requested, which is ready, in progress, PO approval, and done. So that takes care of that. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about creating stories and a lot of the changes there, because there are a lot of changes. But for now, thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.